So I do have to say, I'm liking what I'm seeing right now in terms of ADA retracement and all. Obviously, today we're facing a bit of a retracement. We're back down around just below 29 cents. And I'm not surprised that we're kind of sitting in this range. Again, that 28 to 32 cent level, big range of resistances for ADA. So this 28 cents needs to obviously hold as support moving forward here. But what we're also seeing is that not only did we get rejected around this 30 cent level, we got rejected at that 200-day moving average and realized that at this point in the market cycle, that's fine. Okay, ADA has experienced this in the past, so this is really no different than what we've experienced before. Now, I will say I am liking the setup that I'm seeing. Okay, we are obviously pulling back in terms of RSI. We're getting out of that overbought range, and we're again above this long-term trend line. Everything right now seems to be moving towards the bullish side. We obviously had the bullish cross on the 20 and the 50-day, and now we've also had that 20-day cross, that 100-day moving average as well. So we are feeling extreme bullishness when it comes to ADA. But the big setup I'm looking at right now is on the BTC charts. We obviously talked about the bull market confirmation, all these different indicators that are showing that this should be the start of the bull market. There's this interesting convergence that's taking place between the 20, 50, and 100-week moving averages in terms of BTC, and it's something that's happened historically. We can see right now all three of those trend lines are converging at this point here as we follow this bullish trend. And this is right at this point where we would usually see that bull market movement to the upside, that bull market confirmation. If you guys look back at prior market cycles, we can see this convergence between those three trend lines happened in May of 2019, confirmation of the bull market, right? It also happened back in November of 2015. Again, confirmation of the bull market. This is a big, big thing. Trends are pointing the right direction, and this is what we need to see overall in the market. You can also see how far that happened before the Bitcoin halving. I believe this is actually the closest it's happened to the halving. This has been, whether people understand that or not, this has been the longest bear market cycle that we have ever been in. Okay. And that's fine, because the longer prices are subdued, the longer you're in these bear market cycles, the more explosive a movement to the upside you can have. As always, this is not financial advice, but these are the things that I'm watching, and they do directly relate to ADA. This is the path. This is essentially what signifies the next market cycle beginning, the next bull market at least, right? So right now, I am paying attention to ADA price, but I'm not paying attention so much to the fact that I'm driving myself nuts by the fact that it's not exploding as some other assets in the space. Obviously, there are some ones that are moving up more. There are some that are moving up less. But realistically, when we look long term, it's not going to really matter anyways, because once you get into a bull market, really everything goes on a run. So I'm just staying put right now. I'm just watching what's happening in the charts. If we do get pullback, I'm going to add definitely a lot more, but I do like what I'm seeing. I like the fact that we're flipping bullish. And, you know, for the first time since I've started making content, I feel we are really close to those exciting times. This is where we can finally have some excitement again in the market. People can finally get excited about the fact that they hold these assets, and it'll be great too, because all those people outside crypto that are dogging on us for being in crypto, they can finally shut up then too. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.